Hello, class. Let me quickly go over this media homework assignment that I have for you. What I want you to do first is build 10 plain div tags. Just put this text in each one of them, copy and paste it. Don't even have to type it. And then give each div tag a class or classes. Make all their background colors red by default, each of them. So you're just going to have 9 divs that stretch across the screen. I don't really care what their sizes are. In my example, I just didn't even give them a size. I'm only worried about the colors. So they're going to be 1 EM by default because they do have some content. And then use a media query for each of these sizes that are listed so that when the screen width gets into that size, it's going to then change. You'll have to write the CSS rule to change each one from red to green. So green will be when the screen size, the width of the screen, is the size that's listed for that div, and red will be any other size. Okay, so I have my example here for you. All right. My screen size currently is 726 pixels wide, so the only one is this middle one between 700 and 800 pixels. And for this example, don't worry about the overlap of the 1 pixel, like the 6 here and the 6 here, the 7 here and the 7 here. Don't worry about that. I know in my slides I advised you to go all the way up to like 599 instead of 600 so that you're not duplicating things. Don't worry about it for this example. Do exactly the numbers that I have on there, and you'll see that it's going to work just fine for this example anyhow. And then to see that it works, I'm going to go ahead and stretch this out and then shrink it back up again all the way down below 500, and you'll see all of the colors switch on there. So now I'm over 1,000. I'm also over 800. So both of these should be green. Because both of them are true. Okay, so if any 2 of them are true at one time, they should both be green. Right. And then it's going to pop down, and then up to 700 or 700 and smaller, it's always going to stay that way. Right. So I do have 2 green ones, and then for a short time I have 1 green one, and then I have 2 again. Okay, so in the middle, around in between 700 and 800. That's the only one that has only 1 green stripe. Okay, that's all I'm looking for this homework assignment. Remember, when you finish it, upload it to your GitHub. Send me a link to the file, the live URL for the GitHub file. And that's it. Stay safe and have a good week.